Sometimes a quality paint job is all you need to make your home or office feel brand new. AME Pro Painters and Power Washing can make your home, rental property, or office feel like new. AME Pro Painters specializes in interior and exterior paint remodeling. That includes making your home look brand new without the high cost of major renovations. AME can do more than paint walls. Did you ever consider repainting your kitchen or bathroom cabinets, furniture, ceilings, or roof? How about your garage, attic, or basement? Cleanliness, care, and attention to the smallest details are the motors that move AME Pro Painting and Power Washing. You can be sure that any painting, restoration, renovation, cleaning, and power washing service will be executed with attention to detail and cleanliness. Want more money-saving ideas? Check out the end of the year super special with a 20% discount on all painting projects for all police, firemen, and military veterans. Just go to pro-paintersusa.com. Affordable residential, interior, and exterior painting and power washing.